Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to do a lab for one of powerful and important tools provided by Oracle. This tool is to measure your database in regard of security. Actually, this tool is provided and essential for any database need to be secure. This is tools called database security assessment tool. Here you will download the tool, and there is a documentation and features on that. In the documentation you'll see how to use it. Basically it's contained to three mode: collector mode, which is the essential one that will collect all details about the environment and the data. Then you can generate a report. Collector should be run on the database itself in the server directly. Reporter can be run anywhere that will analyze the collected data and will provide it a report. We will do it. We will get HTML report where we will work on it later. Discover is to be evaluating the data itself. This will need certain different paths. In today lab, we are going to run collector and report to know where is the position, what's our position in the database. So let's start with this tool. Here I have downloaded this one and I'm getting a zip file. I uploaded to my lab. Here my lab, I have ORCL inside this lab. This is the file. So what I'm going to do, I will just make a directory, make a dir. I will call it DBSA, Database Security Assessment Tool. All right, and I will cd to this and just unzip the DBSA.zip here. It will be unzipped here. Here I'm getting a file. Make sure you have a Java installed and it's Oracle Java Home is set up, because Java is a prerequisite. Setting a Java is out of today's video. You have this prerequisite there. Any error come to you, you may refer to the prerequisite and check if I have a value there or not. So here I have a 19C on my lab, so I'm going to run. Regardless of your database version, you will get something. What do we have here? You will see. Even if you don't know how to run it, I will just show you how to run. This is the main tool. This is for Windows path file, and this is for the Linux Solaris. Other Linux and Unix environments will be here. So I'm going to run it. See here, for this you will get a help how to run it. As I told you, there is a collector mode. This is essential things. With -n, we can bypass the encryption for the output. I will not encrypt. Database connector string need to be provided, and user have enough privilege. So I'm going to use system user. Uh, Maybe in your environment, system user is not there. If you revert back to the document, you will see what's the prerequisite for that user. There is a list of privilege need to be granted to that user. So let me just revert back here to my and output file. Output file will be used later on in the report. You can see the input file. Output of collector will be input for this database report. Again, database report can be run anywhere, but I do prefer to run it on the same here in my lab. But in maybe in a production or in your environment, Java is not there, and you may need or plan to run it in centralized server after collecting all data. So let's see. So file here is free right now. So what we are going to run DBSA add, and I will provide the -n because I don't want to have encryption for the output. So I'll bypass this. Then the system user add the connection string that I have and my output. I will call it output underscore file. All right, this is my output, and I will just press enter. It will ask me I have something wrong. DBSA system at ORCL. What's here missed? DBSA T. Ah, the most important things we have missed. What we are planning to do is collect. So we have to put here. So we will run database security assessment tool to collect. Okay, here is it. and then I will press enter again. It will ask about the database connection for the password. So my system user password should be entered here. I will enter it. Then we have to wait for some time to get this details about the output. It will collect. Collection will take a little bit time. It should be a matter of seconds because my database is small here and setup will be measured against certain things. Let's wait. Here is it. Result come. Some warning for file not available because our setup don't have it. That's fine. Now what I'm going to run before running, let's see what we got. We got a file, JSON file, and there is no zip file as well. So this is the JSON only we get. Okay, so same file we will run it to get the output DBSA, and now we will run as a report and hyphen as well, and we will put this as an input file. Let's see. Environment. Look here. Environment variable Java home is not set. So let me just set this environment to get this running properly. So which Java ln, I will get the binary of this Java to set it. This is coming from alternative as well, but this is not the right. This is simple link again. Here is it. This is the real Java. Yeah, there is no symbol. So I can safely just export Java home equal to this before the bin. This is my Java home. All right. I will run it again. Let's see if there is anything need to be set up as well. We will do it. Here is it. Okay, we got the output. Let's see now. Yes, here you can see there is HTML, JSON, text. These are the analyze of the output that we collected in the JSON. You can open it here. You can open the text file. For example, here you will see whatever you want to have, you can read it. You can go through it here one by one. Or the most readable I can see here is to have it as a, let me refresh here our output. I think I will open another one. For some reason, this one is stuck. All right, here is it. DBSAT. You can see the HTML5, sorry, the HTML report. I will open it just to have as a readable in Google Chrome. Here is it. So here in the main summary, you will get the findings. Total findings, I have 1 to 4. Use all our work with you to have it. It's been categorized in the sections. Some of them are passed and some of them is not. So whatever is non-passed, we will go through it. Just as a sample, let's see, these are the things feature it's been utilized. For example, bash level, I am in the last bash. And you will see there is a 3 section header for this, for each findings being evaluated. And these are, just to let you know, the CIS is referred to Central for Internet Security Benchmark. This will be common for the financial sector. For example, OBP, Oracle Best Practice. This is common of Oracle Best Practice Security setting. For financial, at least you have to score, secure all this scope of CIS. Having OBP will put you in a good position. STIG for the defense and ministries is very important. STIG is referred to Security Technology Implementation Guide. This is described and being defined by Defense Information System Agency of U.S. Department. So these 3 categories will be against most of point. Some of point is only having a value and a definition of on CIS, for example, it will mention here. So with this, we have this report. In my next labs, I will work on each non-passed point here, and we'll try to solve it together and see how we can secure our database with the most possible configuration. I hope this video was straightforward and easy to understand, and you enjoy it. And see you in another